Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to download and install PostgreSQL on your Windows 11 laptop or computer. First, head to the Google Chrome or Firefox or any browser you are using and search download PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Head to the first search result, and as you can see here are a list of different operating systems on which you can download it. So I'm currently using Windows and this tutorial is for Windows, so I will choose Windows. Click on Windows and download the installer. Click on this option right here. There are different versions available for it. So download for the Windows 64-bit. Click on the download and your download will eventually start in a few seconds. As you can see here, the download has been started. Wait until the download has been completed. Once the download has been completed, click on the setup. And as you can see, the setup window has been launched. Click on next, next, next. Create a password for your database. It can be any password you want and click on the next. Click on next, next. And here you can see the installation has been completed. Click on the finish button and after successfully downloading all the packages, as you can see here, PostgreSQL has been successfully installed on your computer. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to this channel.